Good evening to everyone. Here we have question bank of new syllabus for individual agents. Coming to section 1, the concept of insurance involves a transfer of which is the answer is risk. And coming to next one, the main role of an underwriter in a non-life insurance company is normally to assess the accessibility of particular risks. And coming to next one, in insurance terms, the risk of suffering a disability is best described as what type of risk? And the answer is financial. Here we have the concept of indemnity is based on the key principle of policyholders should be prevented from profiting from insurance. And coming to next one, how long is the free look-in period under a term insurance policy from the date of receipt of the policy document? It is 15 days time. And coming to next one, the changes of healthcare cost over recent years had what general impact on healthcare insurance? And the answer is a rise in the need of cover. Here we have an award made by the insurance ombudsman will only be binding on the insurer if the answer is complaint accepts this decision. Coming to next one, non-life insurance policies broadly falls into named peril policies. Coming to next one, what key legacy has been left by the activities of the Tariff Advisory Committee? And the answer is standard policy wordings. Here we have find the odd man out with respect to valid contract, and the answer is duties. And coming to next one tries to manage the impact of risk and decides to bear the risk and its effect by oneself. And the answer is risk retention. And coming to next one, the award by ombudsman should be made within a period of dash from the date of receipt of such a complaint. The answer is 3 months. And coming to this one, the first non-life insurer to be established in India is Triton Insurance Co. Limited. And coming to next one, in which stage the agent has to stop the customer in filling out of the proposal of insurance. And the right answer is the proposal stage. And coming to next one, what does the term premium denote in relation to an insurance policy? The answer is price paid by an insured by the purchasing the policy. And coming to next page, the application document used for making the proposal is commonly known as the dash. Is the answer is proposal form. And coming to next one, which of the following is not an underwriting decision? And the answer is claim rejection. And coming to last one, the health insurance is designed to handle which of the following risks? And the answer is morbidity. And coming to next page, what is the time limit for approaching an insurance ombudsman? And the answer is within 1 year of registration of the complaint by the insurer. And coming to next one, at most good faith will operate in existing policy. And the right answer is if policy has lapsed and it has to be reviewed. And next one of the methods of reducing insurance cost of an insured is dash. And the answer is deductible. And coming to next one, which of the below party is not eligible to enter into a life insurance contract? And the answer is minor. And coming to next one, which of the below action showcases the principle of Oberima fights? And the answer is disclosing known material facts on an insurance proposal form. And coming to last one, Which among the following is a secondary burden of risk? The answer is setting aside reserves as a provision of meeting potential losses in the future. And coming to next page, which among the following scenarios warrants insurance? And the answer is the sole breadwinner of a family might die ultimately. And coming to next one, when life insurance business was nationalized, it's 1st September 1956. And coming to next one, under which the controller of insurance was appointed by the government under the provisions of the Insurance Act. And the answer is the Insurance Act 1938. Coming to next page, expand the term GIBNA. GIBNA means General Insurance Business Nationalization Act. And coming to next one, which of the following is the oldest insurance company in India? It is National Insurance Company Limited. And coming to last one, which of the following statement is true? Here we have insurance protects the asset, insurance prevents its loss, insurance reduces possibilities of loss, insurance pays when there is a loss of asset. And the correct answer is insurance pays when there is a loss of asset. And coming to next page, why do insurers arrange for survey and inspection of the property before acceptance of a risk? And the answer is to assess the risk for rating purposes. And coming to next one, what does not go on to make a healthy relationship? And the answer is skepticism. And the last one, dash is not a tangible good. It is a insurance. And coming to next one, in customer relationship, the first impression is created is by being on time, showing interest, and being confident. And coming to next one, which of the below will be the most appropriate option for a customer to lodge an insurance policy related complaint? And the answer is insurance optimism. And coming to last one, what is the time limit for approaching an insurance optimism? And the answer is within 1 year for rejection to the complaint by the insurer. And coming to next page, which among of the following is an example of coercion? And the answer is Ramesh threatens to kill Mahesh if he does not sign the contract. And the next one, which element of a valid contract deals with premium? And the right answer is consideration. And the last one, when it is essential for insurable interest to be present in case of life insurance. And the answer is at the time of talking insurance. Coming to next page, here we have IRDAI question bank for section 2. Here we have some questions, and the first one is, in case the premium payment is made by check, then which of the below statement will hold true? And the answer is the risk may be assumed on the date which the check is posted. And coming to next one, identify which of the below statement is correct. The answer is health insurance deals with morbidity. In coming to last one, identify the correct full form of PPN with regards to hospitals and health insurance. Preferred provider network. And coming to next page, insurable interest refers to dash. And coming to next one, which of the following factor does not affect the mortality of an individual? And the last one is the first and the primary source of information about an applicant for the underwriter in his. And the answer is the proposal form. And coming to next page, which of the following document is maintained at the hospital detailing all the treatment done to an inpatient? And the answer is case paper. And coming to next one, the amount of provision made for all the claims in the books of the insurer based on the status of the claims is known as reserving. And also the last one is, which of the following documents are not required to be submitted for permanent total disability claim? And the answer is fitness certificates from the treating doctor certifying that the insured is to fit to perform of normal duties. And coming to next page, here we have some questions. And claims service essentially include as, here we have four options: taking down the claim notification 24 by 7 basis. In second one, sending the claim form and procedure. And C, none of the above. D, all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. And coming to next question, which of the following codes capture the procedure performed to treat the illness? And the answer is current procedure terminology. And the last one, dash of unturnable claims and follows the same process as for all the other claims. And the answer is personal accident claims. Here we have some questions. Health insurance products are broadly classified into all of the above. All of the above means indemnity covers or fixed benefit covers or critical illness covers. And coming to next one, health insurance classification based on customer segment. And the answer is individual cover or group cover or mass policies. And coming to last one, explain the terms UHIS. And the answer is Universal Health Insurance Scheme. And coming to next page, which of the below is considered before the start of the insurance cover as the Insurance Act 1938 section 64 VV? And the answer is payment of premium in advance. And coming to next one, dash is a condition expressly stated in the policy which has to be literally compiled with the validity of a contract. And the answer is address. And coming to next one, which of the following option is available with the high-end version products for certain alignments, which are the life-threatening and email expensive treatment? And the answer is top of covers. And coming to next page, we have some more questions. Here we have first one, the dash is a person who holds a valid registration from the Medical Council of any state of India. It is a network provider. Coming to next one, health policy is a social benefit policy. So far, dash is not charged on individual health policies, and the answer is bonus. Coming to last one, dash is the process of accessing the risk appropriately, any deciding the terms on which the insurance cover is granted, and the answer is group policies. And coming to next one, here we have some more questions. Factors which affect chances of illness, and the answer is habits. And coming to next one, it's a very well understand that insurance is a dash and the policy is a dash, and the answer is promise and witness. And coming to last one, the agent is the first level dash as he in the best position to know the prospective client to be insured, and the answer is underwriter. And coming to next page, dash is based on the concept of morbidity, which is defined as the risk of a person falling ill or sick, and the answer is life insurance. And coming to next one, the proposal form elicits information from which of the following, and the answer is personal details. And here we have last question, dash would be relevant medical expenses incurred during period generally 30 days prior to hospitalization and will be considered as a part of claim, and the answer is critical illness policy. And to be continued, the page, here we have the number of nature of the question proposal from vary accordingly of the class of insurance concerned, and the answer is neither agree or disagree. And the last one, a deliver man of a fast food restaurant who has to be frequently travel on a motorbikes at a high speed to be deliver food of his customers may be more exposed to accidents than the content of the same. and it also the neither agree or disagree. Here we have some more questions. Dash covers provides compensation in the form of death and disability benefits due to the unforeseen accidents, and the answer is personal accident. And next one, dash is the consideration paid by the insured to the insurer for insuring the subject matter of insurance under a contract of insurance, and the answer is premium. And coming to next one, which was following provides an evidence of the contract of insurance, and the answer is policy document. And coming to next page, here we have some more questions. Dash is a person who holds a valid registration from the medical council of any state of India and thereby entitles to practice within the jurisdiction. And that answer is medical practitioner. And coming to next one, here we have, in case the top up plan requires the deductible amount to be crossed at every single event hospitalization, the plan is known as, answer is catastrophe based. And next one, which of the following is termed as the benefit policy with the provision to pay a lump sum amount of diagnosis of certain name as critical illness, and the answer is critical illness policy. And coming to next page, uh, here we have some more questions. And coming to first one, under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, death benefits of individual is up to, and the answer is 2 lakhs. And coming to next one, under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana premium per member on annual basis is rupees 12 rupees. And coming to last one, Jan Arogya Bima policy and universal health insurance scheme is subheaded under section, and the answer is micro insurance and health insurance for poor sections. And coming to last questions, here we have, which of the following is also attached with claim form, and the answer is details of insurance history. And coming to next one, in health insurance, dash would also consist investigation reports at the time of claim, and the answer is all the above. All the above means here we have X-ray reports, blood test reports, and biopsy reports. And here we have section 2 answers from 1 to 100 questions. And coming to next page, here we have some important abbreviations. Please read it carefully. Here first one is IIB, Insurance Information Bureau. And coming to next one, WHO, World Health Organization. And coming to next one, CPT, Current Procedure Terminology. And coming to next one, ICD, International Classifications of Diseases. And coming to next one, TPA, Third Party Administration. And next one, PPN, Preferred Provider Network. And coming to next one, BBP, Broken Bone Policy. And coming to next one, GBAP, Group Personal Accident Policies. And coming to next one, PPD, Permanent Partial Disability. Coming to next one, TTD, Temporary Total Disability. And coming to next one, PTD, Permanent Total Disability. And the next one is ICDS, Integrated Child Development Services Scheme. And the next one is TBA, Trained Birth Attendants. And next one is ASHA, Accredited Social Health Activist. And next one is ANM, Auxiliary Nurse Midwife. And next one, PHC, Primary Health Centers. And next one, CHC, Community Health Centers. And the next one is CGHS, Central Government Health Scheme. And the next one is ISP, Insurance Salesperson. And the next one is FSC, Financial Services Executives. And the next one is UIHIS, Universal Health Insurance Scheme. And next one, BPL, below poverty line. And next one is PMSBY, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, and the next one is RSBY, Rakshatriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, and next one is JABP, Jan Arogya Bima Policy, and the next one is BAP, Bhavishya Arogya Policy, and the last one is PMJDY, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. And here we have question bank of IRDA section 3 general insurance section in where we have some important questions like moral hazard means dishonesty or character defects is an individual, and next one dash means spreading one's investment in different kinds of asset, and the answer is diversification. And coming to next page, earthquake is an example of cat catastrophic risk. And coming to next question, select the most appropriate logic equivalence of the statement. The statement is insurance cannot protect to an asset from loss or damage, and the answer is true. And here we have some more questions. Dash is the maximum limit of liability of insurer under the policy, and the answer is sum insured. And coming to next one, dash is the consideration or price paid by insured under a contract, and the answer is premium. And the last one is a document which provides an evidence of contract of insurance is called, and the answer is policy. And here we have some more questions. First one, premium cannot be received. And the answer is by promissory note. The certificate of motor insurance has to be kept in the car always. Renewal notice for motor insurance is issued by the insurer before expiry of the policy. And coming to next page, dash decides whether to accept or not to accept the risk, and the answer is underwriter. And coming to next question, dash is the price of a given unit of insurance, and the answer is rate. And coming to next question, dash is not a source of information for underwriter, and the answer is registration certificate of insurer. And coming to next page, the purpose of deductible clause is to eliminate payment of small claims. And coming to last question, insured declared value in motor insurance includes, and the answer is manufacturer's selling price. Here we have some more questions. First one, shop insurance covers dishonest acts of employees. And coming to next question, a fire policy for commercial risk cover the perils of dash both of the above. It means explosion or implosion. And the last one is the premium for Bulgari policy depends on all of the above. Nature of insured policy or moral hazard of the insurance himself, construction and location of the premises. Here we have some more questions. Dash refers to the body of the ship. It is the hull. In engineering insurance, CAR stands for contractors all risks. Which branch of insurance offers cover against war perils? And the answer is both of the above, which means marine policies or aviation policies. Here we have some more questions, and the first one is policy which covers loss or damage to aircraft is dash aviation insurance. And coming to next one, employees compensation policy is a type of dash, and the answer is liability insurance. And the last one is money insurance policy covers, and the answer is cash in hand. And coming to next page, the intimation of loss is to be made as soon as reasonably possible. And the last one is for personal accident claims, report of dash is necessary, and the answer is doctor. Here we have some important questions. In case of a fire claim, a report from the fire brigade, and the answer is necessary. What is TAT? It means turnaround time. And coming to next page, the situations in which the outcomes can result only in loss or no loss but never in gain are called as pure risk. And coming to next question, what are the elements of a valid contract? And the answer is offer and acceptance or consideration or agreement between parties. Dash refers to the condition which increases the probability of a loss or its severity and thus impact the risk. And the answer is hazard. Here we have the Act of Motor Vehicles Act 1988, Certificate of Insurance. Here we have certificate number or policy number, registration mark and number, place of registration or engine number or classes number or make year of manufacture. And coming to next type of body in geographical area, name and address or insured, and persons or classes of person entitled to drive. And here we have limitations as to use, hire on rewards, carriage of goods, organized racing and race making, speed testing and reliability trials. And coming to cancellation, at the request of the insured or the insurance by the policy is hereby declared to be cancelled as the from dash the insurance have been in the force of period dash means no refund is due to the insured. And to be continued in the next page, the insured have been advised that the stock covered by the policy has been increased and it hereby agreed the sum of insured accordingly altered of the rupees described as follows. And also here we have extension of cover to include exterior peril in a marine policy. And the last one is changes in mode of carriage. The assured of having declared the doubt of consignment under the above policy 2 barrels perfumery value of rupees have been shipped on deck. In consideration thereof on additional premium as under is charged by the assured. And the next page was WTO or insurance proposal form. And in the proposal form, first one proposer's name and address of the correspondence and telephone and fax number and email address, bank account number and HPA or hypothecation, and next one type of policy required period of insurance from to date and details of vehicles. And coming to last one, value of the vehicle, invoice value, electrical or electronic accessories. This is the basic for claim settlement and premium. To be continued in the next page, here we have history of the vehicle, previous number or type of cover, name of issuer and address, and usage of the vehicle like purpose of the use, pleasure, professional, trade, corporate. And coming to next one, compulsory it was personal accident cover for owner driver. Personal accident cover for owner driver is compulsory. Please give details and nominations. And name of the nominee, age and relationship, name of the appointee. If nominee is a minor, relation to the nominee. Personal accident cover of owner, compulsory of sum insured 1 lakh or two-wheeler stand of 2 lakhs for private cars. Compulsory PA cover to owner driver cannot be granted where a vehicle is owned a company. And here we have declaration by the insured. Hereby declared by the statements made by the me or us in the proposal form are true by the best of my or our knowledge and belief. We are hereby the agreed declarations of from the basis of the contract between matters. Like also here to declare that any audio or illiterations carried out of the submission to proposal form, that the same word conveyed to the issues immediately. And also here mention place and date and the signature of proposal. And here we have the proposal form. Standard free it is special fees policies. Acceptance of the proposal is subject to the rules and regulations of the company. The property is not covered until the proposal is accepted and the premium paid. First one, agent name, client code, details about proposal, name of the proposal, address of the proposal, and telephone number. And coming to last one, which are being covered and period insurance. Would you like to delete their perils from basic cover? Talks about coverage issue. And coming to riot, strike, malicious damage, terrorism cover extension. It can be opened. It was yes or no options will be available. And here we have annexure B. This amount is covered for EQ perils. Would you like to cover 6 foundation along with their building? And coming to next one, architect surveys consulting engineering phase. There is an yes or no options will be available for any column. And rows, forest fire. And next one, spontaneous combustion, earthquake, spoilage material, leakage and combination cover, temporary removal of stocks, loss of rent, startup expenses. That's all. To be continued on next page. Claims experience is an important factor at rate of the risk. What is the type of risk covered at the location? Details about proposal's business. The immured property is dwelling offices, shops, hotels, etc. And the features of risk to decide the basic rate and coverages. If you use a warehouse or go on the factory compound, please give the list of goods stored. If used as industrial manufacturing unit, state as details of products manufactured of the location proposed. And also check the details block plan showing various facilities to enclose. And the last one is if used to industries manufacturing unit, please state whether the factory is working or silent. And continue to the next page. Fire extinguishing appliances installed. And there is list of various blocks and indicate the type of portable extinguishers. To know better risk features, market value basis, reinstatement value basis, whether escalation is required. There is yes or no options is available. Here we have description of block age, height, construction of PUCCAI, building including machinery accessories, stocks in process, other property to be insured. Here the note was indicates the stocks which are covered on normal basis and do not fall under serial number A, B, C, D and below. To be continued on next page, here we have you would like to avoid discounts for voluntary deductions. And here we have yes or no options are available. If answer is yes, indicate the choice of deductible amount is rupees. And here we have the declaration by principle of utmost good. I hereby declare that the statements made by me in the proposal form from all the true to the best of my knowledge and belief, and I agree this declaration shall from the basis of contract between me and dash. If additions, literalations are carried out or in the little disk proposed after the submission form, then the same would be conveyed to the issuers immediately. Here we have mentioned place, date, signature of proposal and seal of the company. And last one is the following is the copy of section 41 of the Insurance Act 1938, prohibition of rebates. Any person making default in complying with the provision of the section shall be punishable with a fine which may extend to 500 rupees. And the last page is fire insurance claim form. First one, name and address of insured, and next one, please give the following details pertaining to all the policies involved in the fire accident. And next one, period insurance and date, time and loss, whether loss intimated to policy or fire brigade. And next one, any claim recognized in the past on the same property, cause, date of insurance claim, policy insuring office. And last one is mentioned place, date to be filled by deficient officer or signature of insured, fire claim number. And the last one is branch DO code number and RO code number, Dev officer's code number, agency's code number, premium payment particulars, receipt number, and last one date of payment and amount rupees. And thank you.